Here we call that bringing in the harvest. Maybe this year I'll get to sit at the grown-ups table. What a tangled web we weave. All aboard the Perspective Railroad. Arr, you'll never get me treasure without the map. I wonder what would happen if we mixed these together. What's your favorite book? Hey, let's make a puppet! What's the world's tallest building? The library, because it has the most stories.
For all lang syne, my dear, for all lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet.